Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot one of the most common errors in Node.js. But first, if this is your first time in this channel, I invite you to take a look on the channel's playlist where you will find a lot of free tutorials for different technologies and tools like AWS, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, and so on. Okay, then let's say that you are developing an application inside of a container and you are experiencing some timeouts or some network issues where you are downloading your dependencies. If you do a npm install, it will go to the package.json. It will search for all the dependencies you listed there and also the subdependencies for each package, and it will download those packages from the internet or from the registry that you set up for your environment. But npm install may take a lot of time to download and to be able to diagnose or troubleshoot this problem. For that, npm offers this module, npm ping. It will try to reach the registry and you will see the error very quickly. So let's say that I don't have internet here. I turn off my internet connection and then I do this npm ping, and as you can see it's trying to reach out the registry.npmjs.org, but it got stuck here and it will not progress until the internet or until the network problem is being fixed. So then I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to restore my internet connection, and I will try the command again. And as you will see, it will be able to reach out the registry. As you can see, I'm sending a ping command or a ping message, and I'm receiving the pong, which is the valid response for this. So this is a very helpful module in NPM for you to troubleshoot network issues, because this can be the one that you use at the very beginning, so you cannot wait for the npm install to complete or to fail, and you will be able to see the problem right away. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.